So if you guys want to add a spoiler text in Discord just like this over here, if you see the word over here, you can't see it. It's blurred right now. If I want to view the text, I need to click on it, then only I can view it. So this is called spoiler text, and you guys can also create spoiler text on your Discord, and it's pretty simple. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can create a spoiler text on Discord just like this. Alright, so before I show you how you guys can do it, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified once our new video releases, and it helps our channel to grow. So let's start the video without any further ado. So it's pretty simple to write spoiler image in Discord or blur image, like if you guys want it easy to understand, but it's called spoiler image. Basically, you want to write the text which you want to be blurred in between these lines, alright? So you need to create 4 of these lines, and between these 4 lines, after these 2 lines, write a word like this, and then close the word with these 2 lines again. You need to write a text between these, 2 lines. The opening one 2 lines, the closing one 2 lines. So this is like a straight line on your keyboard. This is an I. This is what an I looks like. This is what a capital I looks like, and this is what the line looks like. If you guys can pay close attention to it, it's bigger than the I, alright? It's a straight line and you need to find it on your keyboard. So basically, it's right above my enter key on my keyboard. It could also be above your enter key. If not, then try to find it. It's a straight line, alright? So yeah, write the word between these 4 straight line and enter, and the word is blurred. So that's basically how you guys can write it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on, and comment down below if you guys have any question related with this video. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye, peace out, and that's it for today's video.